The variable function system is the control and information center of the Mobius trimmer M108. Let's take a closer look. The red stop button will be pushed in when your M108 is delivered. Twist right to release. The light in the lid of the M108 will turn blue if there are no errors, indicating it is ready for operation. Next, you might want to adjust the machine tilt. That's the switch towards the right of the panel. Raise the machine to the desired height, and remember, the higher the tilt, the faster product will move through the M108. Now, you'll want to press the green start button. The light in the lid of the machine will turn to white for operation. To the right of the start button are the dials for blade speed, suction, and tumbler speed. If the dials are pushed in, they are disengaged and the systems will remain off. To turn each system on, pull the dial towards you and turn it right to the desired setting. On the far right of the VFS control panel, you'll see an LCD screen with a dial underneath. This screen relays important information to the operator, such as power draw on the various systems of the machine, operating hours, and errors. On the far left of the VFS control panel, you'll see a diagram of the M108. This is a visual indicator for errors on the unit. The components in the diagram, as well as the LED in the lid, will light up if there is an error. For example, if the conveyor override pucks are removed or the separator isn't properly engaged. That's the variable function system on the Mobius trimmer